Yan guys, magandang hapon. So, today is here in Flower City Garden. So, just now only around 5:45. So, after, yeah, let's go. Tayo ay mamamasyal dito with my friend. Actually, I'm too late because late wake up and then 11 o'clock go to church, finish around 2. So after finish go to pick up my orders. So oh no, oh, automatic the camera. Really nice. A photo shoot. Ayan. This is the place of Portuguese Park here. This is the baluarte of Portuguese. Celebrating the Lusofonia party here. And nice one. The photo shoot. Sam. The small is cute. May photo shoot po kasi dito. Ang galing ng camera. Photo shoot. Yes. So, ayan guys, dahil hindi picture sana ang friend ko ay naunahan siya ng baby. Oh. Let's go. Here, the rose. Okay. Oh, ready. Take ko muna siya ng picture. Okay, finish. Take photo. Check first. Ayan. So, bumuhos na po ang ulan. But this ambon lang naman. Maybe that's why before is the weather changed. Before is hot, and then now is a little bit cold. So ito po ang purpose ko dito. Yeah, this is my purpose guys. Yung makita ko ang ito. Ayan. At this is the important. Yeah. Here. This is the flower. The cherry blossom. Now is naabutan ko pa siya. Ayan. Yung iba is not yet bloom like this. Oh. So that's why until when maybe finish of April have more. It's not too late. But the place is not like before. So many flower on the garden. Now, no more. Because maybe change the new one. Here. Oh, ayan. Oh, many part. Now, before is cherry blossom no more here. Oh my God. Sorry, my English is like English kalabaw. But you need adjust for my talking. Diba? Nagpapatawa lang guys. Depende kung tatawa ka. Kung hindi naman, wala naman pong pilitan. Maldita, no? So, let's go upstairs. Ayan po si Menabik. Walang sapayan, ika nga. So, dadaan ng Reyna ang bulaklak. Dadaan ang Reyna, bubuka-buka. Ito lang naman po. Turn around, turn around. Ayan. Wala po akong dalang stick. So, I use my right hand. At yung pong aking background, no more flower na. So, let's go. Here. Dan, 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 dan. This garden is make 1955. Oh no! I'm not yet born already. So I was born on 1970. So 55. 1955, 70, almost 25 years before coming to the world. I'm coming to the world. Bahala na. Ayan po yung taas niya. Oh, many flowers. Ito yung mabango sa gabi. Ang dama di noche. Kapag naamoy niyo po yan sa gabi, you look like a pale some ghost. Ay, hiningal ako dun ah. Tingnan nyo naman. Ay, nabulol tuloy. Tingnan nyo po guys, yung taas ng aking look back. Doon ako galing sa my friend ko na yun. Hingal-hingal ang peg. Dito ko mahina sa akyatan guys eh. Ayan oh. So yan na lang ang flower dito. Nag-take photo na lang siya doon kasi maybe ayan. At I see, may I check? I take photo first here. Use my right hand and then the video is use the left hand. Try go to upstairs. Okay, ayun ang friend ko, nagtitake photo siya doon. So akyat muna tayo dito sa may simbahan po ito na ano ang simbahan to, nakalimutan ko na, Mater Carmeli ata, parang ganun. So dati nakapag-vlog na din ako dito before together with Kunyang ako and Cecil Bailey vlog, and then the next is Angie travel vlog. To those who are not subscribe, follow me. Ayan. So now near na tayo sa Dama di Noche na sobrang bango at kakilakilabot kapag gabi. Ayan. Tapos dito po ang shed, waiting shed, or what is this shed? Basta siya ay shed. Shed of plants. You see? And then oh my, it's not philosophy but I telling the truth. Ito po ang pinaka gusto ko rito puntahan, ang cherry blossom. Yan. So oh, diba? Nice one. Oh, cherry blossom here. Samahan natin ng konting background ng what's this? Wind? No, COD. And this is the wind, a Venetian here, the down. Yeah. Okay. So at look back in the garden. See? See guys, ayan. A lot of cherry blossom. Before wala pong cherry blossom dito. Maybe this is a new. Yeah. Oh, nice one. Now, a lot of cherry blossom na here. Oh. So, on the side of church, every Sunday have the mass, but many churches can I go like now. Wow, this one is the new one. Oh, have the yellow flowers. I like yellow. That's why my clothes now. Kung nakikita nyo to guys, kanina naka-white po ako dahil malamig, nag-change ng weather. So, ito ang baong kong damit kasi once na lamig nga ulit, ito lang yung nasa bag ko. So, hindi naman ako pwedeng magdala ng marami. Baka sabihin ng amo na maglalayas na tayo. Ayan, tayo again, cherry blossom. So, go down. Where are you, my friend? Here. Oh, nakastay pa rin siya doon. So, ayan, look back, turn around. Uy, why? Naka-zoom. Ayan, sorry naman. Oh, so, go down na tayo, guys. Naka-zoom. Ay, siguro dahil sa garden. Sorry guys. Ayan, at tayo ay pupunta sa baba. Mayroon din po siyang exit dito. Ayan. But you need to careful to step and be careful, malu. Ay, may nabik. Wow, have the bird. Oh. And if you want to eat, if you have bring food, can eat, can drink, can sing. If you have bring the what's this? The Bluetooth. I know. Yeah, right. The Bluetooth. The radio. Or what call this one? I don't know. Basta yun na yun. The Bluetooth. Here. Let's go. Maybe my friend. Ayun. Nalilibang din siya doon. So, nandito na tayo, guys. Continues to go down. Ayan. At this is the big tree. I remember this place when I eat banana challenge with Angie Travel Vlog. So, look back here. Thank you and God bless to all my followers, my viewers, especially my members. I love you all. Bye-bye.